Good morning, students. Myself, Mr. Karthik K. Patel, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, VPMP Polytechnic, Gandhinagar. Subject name, Transmission and Distribution of Electrical Power. Unit name, 4, Distribution System and Components. Topic name, Distribution System 2. Now, we are start. The objective of the today's session is introduction about the distribution system, methods of feeding the secondary distribution system, three-phase, three-wire and four-wire system, single-phase, three-wire system, and summary of topic. Now we are start the study regarding the methods for feeding the secondary distribution system. In the last sessions, we have studied the methods for feeding the primary distribution system. In this sessions, we have studied the methods for feeding the secondary distribution system. There are the following two methods for low voltage distribution system. First one is three phase four wire system, and second one is a single phase two wire system. Now three phase three wire system, the three phase systems are used extensively. The three wire system may be delta connected or star connected, whose the star point is usually earth. If we are use the star connected system, the neutral point will be earth. The voltage between the line is V in a delta section and root 3 V in case of a star connection, where the V is voltage of each phase as shown in fig. This is you show in the diagram. This is the three phase four wire system. You show in the diagram, this is the delta connection and this is the star connection of the system. First we seen the delta connection system. In a delta connection system, all three coils are connected in a delta. There is a no any neutral point of that, and out of these three terminal R, Y, and B are outside. It is a R line, it is a Y line, and it is a B line. There all three are the lines, and between the two lines it is a R and Y, and the voltage is called as a line voltage. Same that is in the phase section, this is also are connected to the two lines, so it here the phase with voltage is also called as a V. So in the delta connection, both the phase voltage and line voltage are same, and in the star connection, the line this is a R line, this is the Y line, and this is the B line. But between the line voltage, phase voltage, this is the root 3 voltage are there. That means que single phase voltage with the neutral sections are connected. That this is the three phase four wire systems are used for the secondary distribution system. Now this is the three phase four wire system. The fourth of our fourth terminal, it is called as the neutral terminal from the star point of the star connected as shown in fig V, and the half of the cross section of the outer line or line conductor. You see in the diagram that okay, this is the star connection with the four wire system. This is the R terminal, this is the Y terminal, this is the B terminal, and all three coils are connected at the S point, and one lines are outside. It is called as a neutral line or neutral point. This is a fourth point. This is the R is a one point, Y is a second point, same that the B is a third point, and neutral is a fourth point. So this is a three phase four wire system are there between the line R and N. Between the line R and N, the voltage is 230 volt, and between the line R and Y, between the line R and Y, this is a 440 volt. This is the three phase supplies are there, so that the three phase four wire system are used as a three phase distribution system, and as well as single phase distribution system. Though in a secondary distribution system, this is a residential system. All three phase four wire systems are used to distribute the single phase as well as three phase supplies. So you see in the diagram that the whole secondary distribution systems are seen. That you see in the diagram, this is the primary distribution system. This is the 11 kV three phase supply, three wire systems are there, and these systems are connected in a delta. Reason that why we are connected in a delta, because in delta connection the line voltage and phase voltage are same, so there is a no any voltage drop between the lines. So in a delta connection are used for the primary distribution. And again we are use the secondary distribution system. The secondary distribution systems are here, the one transformer are placed, the one transformer is placed is called as a step down transformer. The primary winding are connected in a delta and secondary winding are connected in a star connection, and star connection with the four wire system. The here the phase R, phase Y, phase B, and the neutral sections are also outlined. That there is a three phase four wire system. Between the two lines our supply voltage is a 400 volt, and between the two phase supply line is a 230 volt, so that the single phase supply and three phase supply are distributed. In a when the three phase supply are required to the small factory, the small shopping center, a small house, uh, so it is required the three phase supply are with the provide with the neutral link, that is called as R, Y, B, and N supply are provided to them. And again, the house one, house two, house three are required the single phase supply, so that from the house one, from line B is connected, house two is line Y is connected, and house three are the line R is connected. So in these sessions, one important point is that कि all the lines must be are in balance load connected system, कि ये जो तीन लाइन है उसमें लोड को बैलेंस करके आपको डिफरेंट सिस्टम को कनेक्ट करना है, और एज वेल एज जो ये सप्लाई का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो इजीली आपको लोड बैलेंस करके करना है। तो ये जो सिस्टम है सेकेंडरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम, उसमें ये जो न्यूट्रल पॉइंट है वो रिक्वायर्ड है, वो सिंगल फेज सप्लाई एज वेल एज थ्री फेज सप्लाई में जब हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, तो थ्री फेज सप्लाई में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए भी न्यूट्रल सप्लाई की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। तो ये आपका सेकेंडरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम का डायग्राम है। देन आफ्टर सिंगल फेज थ्री वायर सिस्टम, कि सिंगल फेज सिस्टम में एक फेज टर्मिनल, एक न्यूट्रल टर्मिनल और एक अर्थ टर्मिनल की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जहां 5 एम्पियर सॉकेट, 15 एम्पियर सॉकेट जहां कनेक्टेड है सिंगल फेज सप्लाई सिस्टम में। तो दिस इज द थ्री फेज फोर वायर सिस्टम, and sorry, three single phase four wires three wire system, and these three wire are is a phase terminal, neutral terminal, and earth terminal. These are the following methods for the domestic consumer, and कौन सी मेथड जो है सिंगल फेज और थ्री फेज वायर सिस्टम में यूज होती है? फर्स्ट वन इज अ रेडियल सिस्टम, सेकेंड वन इज ओपन लूप सिस्टम, एंड थर्ड वन इज अ नेटवर्क और grid system. So individually we are study the radial system. In the radial system, the in the distributor is feed at a one end, and tappings are out from the distributor and consumer given to the supply from the service main. This is the service main we are study on that. Okay, one feeder are there, step down transformer are there, distributor are there, and this is the B point to the C point. It is called as a radial system, only for one way communicate to the transmit the supply, so that is called as a radial distribution system. Now open loop system. Open loop system, in this method two distributors are connected out from the secondary of the distribution transformer. Different consumers are give supply from the this distributor. You see in the diagram that uh, feeder are connected with the distributor, and this distributor are connected with the one open loop switching device. It is called as a one type of the circuit breaker. These both distributors are connected to the each other with the one open circuit switch, so that it is called as a open loop system. And now third is the network system. So this is the very most important in recent time or present time. This type of the systems are used for distributing the single phase supply to the nearer societies, tenement, yeah, consumer. So in this system, all the distributor are connected, interconnected, and network is created. The distributor is through the two distributor transformer. You are seeing that this is when I draw the this red line, it is called as a distributor, and all distributors are connected to the each other and without any circuit breaker or switch. And when the two input feeders are connected to all distributors, so when the supply is connected in one feeder and supply is also connected to the this feeder, then all the distributors are connected to each other and supply are distributed to the all consumer by using this network distribution system. So this type of the systems are used in this recent system. Suppose 20 टेनामेंट की स्कीम है, 50 टेनामेंट की स्कीम है, सेम दैट द 20 फ्लैट्स की स्कीम है, तो सभी जगह शॉपिंग सेंटर जो है सपोज के 20 शॉप का या 30 शॉप का, तो सभी जगह ये नेटवर्क सिस्टम जो है, सिंगल फेज सिस्टम जो है वो यूटिलाइज होता है. तो सो सिंगल फेज सिस्टम में रेडियल सिस्टम, second one is the open loop control system and network system. Design consideration of the distribution system. So there are the main two elements in a distribution system. First one is a feeder and second one is a distributor. The design of the distributor is consider the voltage drop as per the I rule. The voltage drop of the consumer at terminal is within the plus or minus 6%. कि हम जैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, जो उसमें केबल का यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं और हम कंडक्टर का यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, तो वो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप है वो प्लस और माइनस 6 से लिमिट में होना चाहिए. इफ द वोल्टेज इज 220, द वोल्टेज शुड बी बिटवीन द 233.2 वोल्ट टू द 206.8 वोल्ट. तो ये वोल्टेज रेंज के बिटवीन आपका सप्लाई का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो होना चाहिए. तो ये डिजाइन कंसिडरेशन है फीडर और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के लिए. और मेनली जो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप है एज पर द इंडियन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रूल, वो प्लस और माइनस 6 से ज्यादा होना नहीं चाहिए. तो ये डिजाइन कंसिडरेशन है. तो आज के सेशंस में हमने कौन से पॉइंट स्टडी किए? मेथड फॉर फीडिंग द सेकेंडरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम, थ्री फेज, थ्री वायर एंड फोर वायर सिस्टम, and single phase to three phase system. So there are the both two are most important question for your university examinations. Thank you very much.